Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to Bonk Update today, and we have actually broken down to a place where I wasn't really looking forward for Bonk to actually go down, and that is 1761. So 1761 is a little bit bad for a break, but before we turn bearish, I still want to do some more confirmations, and that is I actually noticed that there's a little bit of a trend line going on in here, and it's not as bad as we may actually think, because this is a valid trend line and it looks like there's a little bit of a hold. So you had one touch, move up, a touch here, move up, nearly a touch and a move, and a touch again and a move, and another touch. So this basically is a trend line that actually signifies a buying opportunity. So that, just ignore the previous line that I drew for you. Even basically we might actually say there's a little bit of a trend line going on down there. So yes, I think this is really valid. It does look valid, especially if we go on the 4-hour time frame. We are actually holding above that trend line itself. So if you just zoom out a little bit and you notice this, that's actually a valid trend line. Okay, several touches here, several confirmed touches, by the way, and you can see that, yes, again, this is your support line. This is another pullback to that support line. Now, of course, the expectation is that if this support line is going to be held, we're probably about to see Bonk getting up to this department right over here, because that's where resistance are going to be. So I'm just going to mark this little bit of trend line right there. So yes, I think it's going to be something like this. Okay, so from here we might just expect Bonk to actually go back up, and we might see a technical target of 3057, and that's going to be a rise up of nearly 74%. So that's all for the video. And by the way, check the very first link of not link, check the comment for joining Discord invitation link. And today's quote is, you don't sell, you don't lose. If you sell, they'll buy cheap from you. Okay. And by the way, interesting enough, I just want to tell you why people should be on the private is that I did make a comment on 1st of August that we're not in any short-term trade. I'm noticing some final discounts. That means August and September are not so friendly. We might get Luna Classic at this price, Pepe at this time, and etc. By etc, I mean that even Bonk can actually start to toil down a little bit. So that's all for the video. Hope you enjoyed, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.